Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Welcome back for another video. In today's video, let's take a look at Atom and their Cosmos token and see where we can land with a price target for the 2024-2025 bull run. But before we dive on into this is not financial advice. This video is for entertainment purposes only. Please do your own research. I am not a financial advisor, and while I appreciate that so many of you are hopping in here from all over the place, you've got to hit that subscribe button. I make price target videos every day at 6 a.m. Eastern time on the dot. I try to make multiple videos a day, trying to keep up as much as possible with this rapidly evolving crypto space. Hit the subscribe button, turn on the notification button, and remember we have member-only live streams every Tuesday and Thursday at 4 p.m. Eastern time, United States. But without further ado, let's go ahead and dive on into this. So Cosmos and their Atom token build on the interchain. This is a layer 0. This is something that layer 1s build on, but not just layer 1s. This is a product, a platform that is just lots and lots of things are built using the Cosmos software development kit. I love the Cosmos ecosystem. I am very bullish on the Cosmos ecosystem. And you might be hearing me say specific words about the Cosmos ecosystem and not so much about the Atom token itself, and that's going to be a theme of this video. Now, I do have a decently high price for the Atom token, but I am much more bullish on the ecosystem itself. And so when looking at the ecosystem, it's really easy to look at something like this. And what I see when I see a chart like this, and I'm thinking about other cryptos, other layer 1s, other products, I get very skeptical. Because what I'm seeing is essentially like, all right, if you have loose ties, you're with another cryptocurrency or another blockchain or project, you're getting put on a chart like this. It could be like, hey, we've partnered, or hey, we had a phone call this one time and we agreed to like each other. All right, that's going on the ecosystem chart. But when we see the Cosmos ecosystem, we see something much different. We see projects that are very much built on Cosmos. It's not just partners. This is a foundation. This is something that has been proven as reliable, as trustworthy for a lot of layer 1s that are using their ecosystem. And so, I mean, Avalanche is built on Cosmos. Luna is built on Cosmos. Injective, Celestia, Axelar. What are some other ones? Semelier, that's a very large LRTFi cryptocurrency. Kava. There's so many things. It's like everyone is building on Cosmos, and literally, not literally everyone, but so many layer 1, so many blockchains are built on Cosmos. And you go to the Kepler Dashboard and we see so many options for staking your different cryptocurrencies. You know, I have some Injective and Celestia staked. I have some dust of osmosis in the Atom token, but that was just so I could stake Injective or Celestia. We have Akash. Oh man, Akash, that's a big one. I talked about Axelar already. If you scroll down this list on the website, this is just a screenshot. What you'll find is that there's so many things here, so many cryptocurrencies that I'm sure you've heard of. You can stake those and get decent returns on in the Cosmos ecosystem, on the Kepler Dashboard. That's the one that I use. And so there's so many things to explore. Now, looking at the price of Cosmos, looking at their market cap dominance, we're not really seeing much in terms of growth in the price of the cryptocurrency. And that's where a bit of a concern comes for me. It's like, okay, we have an all-time high above $40. I do like that this put in a higher high in the fourth quarter of 2021 than it did in the second quarter. That's good. We're seeing new highs where we could potentially see a new all-time high, despite the fact that the supply is infinite and it's going to continue to grow in price, or sorry, in quantity of the token. We do see that this is a pretty large cryptocurrency as it is right now, $4.4 billion on the day that I'm making this video. And so we got to keep that in mind. And you do the price versus market cap test, and you find, yeah, we're pretty close to an all-time high. We're halfway there right now towards an all-time high with the Cosmos token, while the price isn't anywhere near its all-time high. So you just got to keep that in mind. And so here's what that looks like when it comes to their circulating supply. Almost twice as much Cosmos, Atom token, is in circulation right now than what existed in 2021. You know, a little over 200 million tokens in circulation in 2021. Now it's 390 million and growing. And so we got to keep that in mind. This is a highly inflationary cryptocurrency. I have heard and seen discussions of improvements in their tokenomics. There's certainly room to improve their tokenomics. It's one of those things where it's like, I'll believe it when I see it. We're not there yet. And people are saying, no, we're there. Well, no, we're not there yet. We're not seeing that on the chart. And so looking at historic market cap dominance, we see a similar thing. It's just like it's hanging around. You know, right now it's 0.2%. It's all-time high, not including this launch day market cap dominance. I don't count that, but its all-time high is 0.5%. And so can it get back to 0.5%? I tend to think no. And here is my main issue with the Atom token is like so many platforms are building on Cosmos, and it just doesn't seem like there's an incentive structured in for those who have built on Cosmos to use the Cosmos ecosystem. It's as if they're giving it away. They're giving away their software development kit. And, you know, from a perspective of altruism, that sounds great. From a perspective of business, from a business perspective, from a perspective of buying low and selling high, that's not as exciting to me. And so I'm not expecting 10x returns from today's prices. I'm not expecting this to be your next 100x gem. It's not happening with Cosmos, with Atom. But, you know, I do have an all-time high in price here. So 0.4% market cap dominance, assuming we see a $7 trillion crypto market cap. So 0.4%, that gives us a market cap of 28 billion. That's an all-time high in market cap. Its previous all-time high in market cap was about $10 billion. So I am saying, hey, we have growth. So 420 million circulating supply is the estimate for where we're going to be towards the end of the year. That gives us an Atom price of $66.67. Again, new all-time high, about 50 to 60% higher than its previous all-time high. So that's where I stand. I could see this happening. I could see it being a little too high, a little too low, but I would love to hear your thoughts. I saw a price prediction for the Atom token at $1,000. I just don't see it. And so maybe I'm way off and maybe this is going much higher. I just don't see it. But let me know your thoughts in the comment section of this video. And also smash up that like button, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. And I will most certainly be seeing you in another video. Peace.